Hey guys, Billy Campbell here with Hawg Powersports, talking about a couple more upgrades that people typically do to their carts. Behind me, you'll see that we've got a bunch of steering wheels down here. Depending on what color cart you've got, depends on what color steering wheel you've got, the color makeup. A lot of people really like these because golf carts are steering wheels are typically plastic and a little flimsy, that kind of stuff. These things really add a lot of shine, they add a lot of pop, they match up with what you do with your seats, with your wheels, that kind of stuff. Speaking of wheels, we've got a series of wheels from Mods behind us. Whether you're into the flat, the matte, the shiny, silver, black, red, green, it doesn't matter. We've kind of got a room for it all. This is a small selection of stuff that we've got here. The bronze, I think, is kind of coming up to be one of my favorites. And then if you really want to show out, we've got the chromes here, and these things are awesome. Of course, we pair those with a lot of different types of tires. But one of the things that is the X-Comps from Gladiator. These tires have been just killing it recently. They have a great look. They're quiet. That's a big thing when you're on the blacktop. They're really quiet, but they're still going to be good for sand and that kind of stuff. And they're also still golf course approved. Of course, we've got some more audacious, type tread patterns and things like that. We've got some custom carts, and you'll see kind of how all this stuff matches together. But this is a couple of the things that we do, along with the stereo systems and the seats. You got to have the wheels, the tires, the steering wheel. Just some of the stuff we do here at Hawg Powersports. 2740 Ogeechee Road, Savannah, or hogpowersports.com. Get squealing.